Alright, okay, so welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm just going to be doing my first math video, which is going to be just basically single digit times double digit multiplication. This is really easy math. Well, not really very easy. This is, I wouldn't say too hard, so basically it's going to be stuff just like, 55 times 4. Instead of doing that the other way, like 55, if kids are presented with this problem, like 55 plus 55 plus 55 plus 55. And then you just add them all up, and oh, I got 20, and then I'm just gonna bring my little 2 up here, and then, oh, I get 20 again, and I get 220. So that's this is just a 55 plus 55 plus 55 plus 55. It's just a very inefficient way of doing math that way. And it's just very not quick, and it's not just, it's more time consuming. Like, let's say you had 58, and you'd have to add like 58 like 9 times. That would not be very fun for you to do. So basically, what an easier way to do is basically do this kind of multiplication. Now, basically, it's very simple, it's quite easy, and it kind of uses how we would do 3 times 4, and then we get 12. So basically, what we're going to do is I'm just going to do some examples of this sort of math. So I'm going to do, say, 66 times, say, 9. Doesn't have to be this. It just could be any number, 2 digits, and then a single digit. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys here. So 66 times 9. Please excuse my bad mouse writing, because I'm kind of using a mouse right now. It's not that great. But anyways, guys, so 66 times 9. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually be doing 6 times 9. So 6 times 9, because we're going to take this number, basically. We're going to take this number. This number is the basis of everything. So we're going to do 9. We're going to take this number, and we're going to first do it in the ones column. So we're going to take this number, and then we're going to times it. So basically, we're going to do 9 and 6. So basically, we're going to take the entire ones column, and then we're going to times that. So 9 times 6 is 54. So 9 times 6 is 54. And we're going to put our 4 there, like we just do in addition. And we're going to put our 5 right there, like we do in addition. Just going to draw a little cloud over it. And now what we're going to do is we're done with the ones column now. So basically we put the 4 down there, because we got 54, we're going to put it like there, and then there. Just like we'd be doing in addition. So basically now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our whole basis number that we're multiplying by. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing 9, which is our single digit number, which is our basic number for everything, times is by 6. So 9 times 6 again is going to be 54. And basically, now we're not going to actually just write 54 here and get 544. What we're actually going to do is we are going to add this 5, because it can't be forgotten. It's an important little 5 here, so we're just going to circle it again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do 9 times 6 is 54 plus 5. So 54 plus 5 is going to be, so 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 0 is 5. So 59. We got 59 right here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do, we're just going to put this 59 right here, and we have a total of 594. Okay, guys, so now what we're going to do, I'm just going to show you another example. As you can see, guys, we start off with our ones column. We get 54, we put our 5 there. In the tens place, we put our tens place number here, and the 4 right there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do the tens column and our basis number, which is 6 and 9, and we're going to do the same thing. But we're going to add the tens digit number that we put up here, and we're just not going to multiply it by it. We're just going to add it. So 6 times 9 is 54, plus 5 is 59. So we got 594 as our total. So now I'm just going to show you another example, and it's going to be, say, 42 times, let's say, 4. Now, you don't really have to circle these numbers, but basically I'm just going to, because for the sake of it. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle 4 because it is our number that we're basically timesing everything by. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to be doing 42 times 4, and basically what we're going to do first is we're going to take the ones column first. We're going to be doing the ones column first. So we're going to take 2 and 4. Now this is pretty simple. It's pretty simple. 4 plus 4, or 2 times 4 is 8. So because we have no 10 digit, we're not going to put the 8 up here, but instead we're going to put the 8 right down there. Happy little 8 right down there. So 2 times 4 is 8. That was a strange voice. But anyway, so guys, we are going to be doing 2 times 4 is 8 in the ones column. So 2 times 4 is 8, and we don't have anything up here to add when we're done with this. So basically, what we're going to do now simply is going to be doing 4 times 4. 4 times 4. Now, because we're moving on to the tens column, remember that, we're already done with the 2. And then basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing 4 times 4. Now 4 times 4 is 16. And basically we do not have any number up here because we got only 8, which is not over 10. And basically we are just going to do 4 times 4 because there's nothing up here to add. So 168. 168. Oops. Okay. So we got 168 as our answer. Instead of just going like this, which is more time consuming, more just a very inconvenient way of doing multiplication. 2, 4, 6, 8, or okay, so you're gonna go along and say, oh, this is 8, and and 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. Yay, and you get 168. But it's just a not fun way when you get to the 9s and you're going to be adding like 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68. And it's just not really that convenient and efficient, guys. So basically, I'm going to do a couple, maybe 2 more examples starting with this one. So we're just going to do 60, let's say 2 times 9. So I'm just going to explain it a little bit faster. So 9 times 2 is 18. And because it's over 10, we put the 8 here and the 1 right there. Now what we're going to do is 6 times 9. We've already done this in one of our problems, is 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. 558. Instead of just doing 62 plus 62 plus 62 plus 62, etc., etc., etc. It's really easy, and here we have it, and probably done in 30 seconds. As you can see. Now, basically, now what we're going to do is we're just going to do the last example of this video, and it's going to be, let's say, 48 times 5. How about, screw that, maybe 48 times. I'm gonna say, let's just stick with 4. So 48 times 4. Now, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing 8 times 4 first. So 8, 16, 24, and then 32. So 8, 16, 24, 32, and now we know that it's 32. So we're just going to put our happy little 3 up here. Yay, he has his own bubble. Poorly drawn. Excuse me. And now we're going to be doing 8 times 4 is 32, and we're going to put our 3 up here and our 2 down here. Now what we're going to be doing is, now we've moved on from the ones column, and we're going to do 4 times 4. Now 4 times 4 is 16. Oops, that was accidental. And what we're going to do is 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3, 16 plus 3 equals, 19. Now what we're going to do is just going to put 1, 9, and then we got 192 as our total. So, yeah, guys, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please give it a like. If it helped you, please subscribe, like the video, comment, guys. Thank you for watching this, and, yeah, goodbye.